very much for clicking this video, but before you start to continue the video, don't forget to press the red subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Thank you. When you are enough talking to someone, or when you want to leave a place and you are asking for leaving to a person or a people, must be polite to say some words before you leave them, right? In my previous videos, I have told you 5 ways to greet someone. So in this video, I would like to inform you 5 ways or 5 expressions to represent a goodbye words. What are the expressions? Check this out. See you later. The first expression you might want to use when you are about to leave is see you later. In some conditions, sometimes it's only later. Maybe you were in a hurry, so you want to say the expression as short as possible so you can leave as soon as you can. You can say later. They both are just the same meaning. See you around. Second expression you can use before you leave is by saying see you around. This one is used to a person only. If you want to use these to a group of people, you can add guys in the sentence like see you guys around. But if you say this to only one person, it's enough for you to say see you around. You say this to a person or people that you will possibly meet around you. So you say this to your mate or your neighbor or maybe to your couple. Tata for now. Third expression you can use is tata for now, but some just say tata. If you want to use some kind of cute farewell expression to your babe or your children perhaps, this one is fit. It has no difference with the previous two, it's just the same meaning and function. Tata for now. So long. Well, fourth expression you can use is so long. This one is used to farewell a person you will probably not meet in a long periods of time. So like when you take your relative to train or bus station to let go of them into far places, you can say so long. Hey dude, take care on the way. So long. I'll see you soon. When you leave a person that you will obviously meet in a very short periods of time, you might want to use this one. I'll see you soon. Means that, well, now we are apart, but we'll surely meet again. And if not, means that this expression is used to relieve someone. Maybe they're afraid without having you around. Maybe they don't feel convenient. Maybe they're afraid of losing you. So you can say, it's okay, I'll see you soon. There are much more expressions to say goodbye. You can say ciao. You can also say till we meet again. And you can also mention the name of a person that you leave or you were about to leave. For example, just say that there are 2 people named Michael and David. David can say Michael and Michael will reply David. Means that David is asking permission to leave and Michael giving him permission. And here we are in the end of the video. After watching this video, I want you guys using the expressions that you just heard instead of constantly using goodbye or bye. Try to develop your skill by using many other expressions so your skill in English can be improved, and I thought that might be the best for you, for me, and for all of us. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I want you to keep supporting me by clicking the subscribe button down below. If you have any suggestion for me, please do not hesitate to let me know. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to click like, and maybe you want to share this video to your friends or parents or your other relatives. Thanks again for watching. I will see you to my next videos, and see you soon.